Iguana pan ice. Iggy Iguana live pan one island. Iggy's island very hot. The heat make Iggy feel sick. To stay cool, Iggy float in our inner tube. Iggy imagine icy things them. Him imagine eating ice cream. Him imagine ice skating. Iggy imagine floating pan one iceberg. Iggy imagine licking icicles. Iggy even imagine a sit down in front of one ice box with ice cubes. One day Iggy get one postcard from him cousin Izzy in Iceland. The postcard give Iggy one idea. Me a go to Iceland to visit Izzy, say Iggy. Now Iggy there Iceland with Izzy. Iggy near my ice cream. Iggy ice skate. Iggy float pan iceberg. And Iggy lick icicle. And every night Iggy sleep up in a Izzy igloo, which is even better than one ice box.